Now, the last little change we're going to make to our project is we're going to customize a view. Now, we could do this in code first. Okay, it works the same in code first as it does database first. But we're going to go ahead and open up under students. We are going to open up our details view. And so we've got all this information about student. And actually, if we didn't like middle name here, we certainly can move it. Seems a little out of place where they have it. Okay. And then what we're going to do is display their grades. So we're going to have like their name information at the top and then the courses and the grades below that. So we want this in this same div section, in the same division. We just want it to display before this data list. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and display it in a table. So I do have the code for this as well. So you can see we have a table. We've got our first row with 3 columns. Course title, grade, and credits is what we're displaying. Then we get into a for each, and we're looking at enrollments. And then you can see that we are using strongly typed helpers to connect to the database itself, and we're pulling in the title, the grade, and the credits. So that is all you need to do to add enrollment to student. So let's save this, and we're going to go ahead and run this. And I have to go to the proper spot first. Let's go to student index here. Okay, and let's go to details. And there we have that enrollment information below the student information. So at this point, you guys are done with database first. So you are going to need to add this project to GitHub, and the SQL Server database also needs to be added to GitHub. And if you have any questions, run into problems, let me know. There are no additional exercises this week.